Welcome to the Vision Break. In this video I will show you how to detect and segment objects with YOLO and SAM models. I will combine these two models. Let me show you some examples. Yes, you can see the mask and label information. You can see the mask and label information. There's two chair and one TV. Let me show you a few more examples. Yes, this blue thing is mask and this is our label, sports ball. And there is a car. Okay, so first I will explain how we are going to combine these two models and why we are combining these two models. And then I have like small demo for SAM because it works not like usual instance segmentation models. This is prompt based segmentation model. Actually first I can show you how SAM works. I basically here upload SAM model with base model, it's the smallest model. Then I'm reading image. Okay, now when I clicked, SAM will do the segmentation. For example, you see, this is our mask. One more, you see. So, as I said before, it's not like usual ones. It's not like Mascar CNN or something like that. You see, it does all the segmentation. Even like face, let me try face. This one, for example, is not bad. Okay, so we are giving position information to the SAM and it did all the segmentation and it doesn't give any label output. Like you see, it only gives this mask. It doesn't say it's like a person or car or something, you know, and it expects some kind of position information. It can be bounding box coordination or point pair, like what I am doing. When I clicked here, oh, let me show you. When I clicked here, I'm giving X and Y coordinates as an input. You see? Yeah, let me show you. Where was it? Yes, like there's three kind of input. Single point, like what I did before, 10 seconds ago. Bounding box, and multiple points. So how are we going to combine these two models? You know, object detection models gives output. One gives two outputs. One is label and other is bounding box coordinates. And as you see, just 1 minute ago, SAM expects some kind of position information, and we will give this position information from YOLO model's output, you know, bounding box coordinates, and SAM will do all the segmentation, and we will combine the segmentation results with this YOLO label, and in the end, we will see something like that. You see, this is from SAM model. You see, and this label comes from YOLO model. Yeah, when I show you the code, you will understand it totally, I'm sure. So I showed you segmentation with SAM, then let me clear, and now I will show you how to detect object with YOLO. There's like 10 lines, I don't know. I copied this code from Ultralytics. It's nothing, like just loading pre-trained YOLO model, and here you can see the image, so it will do all the detection. And you don't have to download this YOLO V810 model because it will automatically download it when you execute that cell. Yeah, you can see the detections like person class, handbag. So we will give this position information to the SAM, for example, center coordinate or bounding box. Then SAM will do the segmentation, and we will combine this class label with segmentation. Okay, now I will show you how to combine these two. But before that, yes, object we did that. Yeah, you can download it. No, you can, let me show you that as well. For example, I don't have model right now. When I press this cell, when I execute this cell, you see it downloads automatically. Okay. Then yeah, it's about combining these two. First you need to install some libraries. You can copy this two lines and paste it to your terminal. Then we will import libraries. Let me copy this. Yeah, there's PyTorch, OpenCV, NumPy, ultralytics, matplotlib, and SAM. So here we are loading models. Remember we have two models, and you can find SAM models from this link. You see there's two different SAM models. One is with base with B, and other is with H. With this means that with huge, and like this is, yeah, 400 megabyte, and this other model, big one, it is like 4 or 5 gigabyte. I don't recommend you to use that. This model works quickly and it is not that big. So click here and download. I already did that. I'm not gonna do it again. You can see SAM with B here. Now here I'm loading YOLO model. This is pre-trained nano model, and you can see the base model here, SAM model. You can see the predictor. This will be segmentation. This will be for segmentation. Okay, it's using my GPU. If you don't have GPU supported PyTorch environment, it is not a problem. All this process can be done in CPU, but it will be slower, but it will still work. Okay. Now we will combine detection and segmentation. Let me copy and I will explain. Yes, we will choose some image first. We can choose this. Let me copy. So there's two models, as I said before. One is YOLO here, and other is, let me find, yes, SAM here. So first, detection will be done on pure image without any processing. Here you can change this confidence value. For example, I will set this to 0.7. Here we are looping through the result, detection result, and when we find bounding box and label, we are passing it input as a SAM model. You can see here, image RGB, and we are giving coordinate information here. And this for value comes from YOLO model's output again. You see here, we are looping through this result and box. You see coordinates. Then SAM do all the segmentation and it gives output. You can see here masks. And we are drawing some kind of mask to the segmented area. You see here, it's blue I think, but you can change it. Yes, it's blue. And here you can change this transparency level. I set it to 0.7. And in the end we will save our segmented image. Actually we can show it with matplotlib as well. Yes, highlighted image. Okay, detection is done. Yes, you see sports ball. Let me change this color for you to understand better. For example, green. Yeah, I think it's better, right? Okay, we can try with another image. Wait, car. Oh, car is ball. There's a mistake here, but this is not a problem. Okay, the YOLO model detect one car, and we do the segmentation. Oh, sorry. Let me do like this. Yes, you see the car, mask, and label. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, and by the way, we saved our image like this. You can change color from here and transparency level. Like, let me reduce this transparency level and change color to blue. Okay, yeah, this is more realistic. You see the mask and label. Yeah, I think, let me check. Yeah, okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.